There's a new way of developing in Perth, and it's revolutionising the industry.
Psaros are a West Australian apartment developer raising the benchmark when it comes to exciting, sustainable lifestyles. Not content with providing the best locations, features and value, Psaros is embracing a design philosophy that integrates ecologically sustainable design strategies for all its developments.
One of the big advantages we have is that we're not just the developer, we are also the builder, and this enables Psaros to set new industry standards in environmental performance.
Psaros has appointed Chiara Pacifici as Head of Sustainability to implement the strategy and assist the sales team in communicating these benefits to buyers.
Sustainability affects business and people's lives in a very positive way. For a property developer to build in an energy and water efficient way helps reduce the costs for occupants, but also builds in sustainability for the long term.
Sustainability concepts have a positive and long-lasting financial, environmental and social outcome for occupants. The ESD strategy includes the implementation of initiatives across their developments in varying degrees. Number 1, solar passive design. Psaros apartments have been built to take advantage of the local climate and maintain thermal comfort.
Number 2, solar energy generation.
Psaros have gone one step further by incorporating solar photovoltaic systems to generate electricity for individual apartments and common areas in most developments.
Number 3, solar hot water. A highly efficient centralised solar hot water system, which is gas boosted, will be installed to substantially reduce ongoing energy costs for all residents.
Number 4, sustainable transport links. The location is carefully considered in relation to public transport links and are usually within a short walk to main amenities. Number 5, waste reduction. A construction waste plan will reduce waste to landfill, lowering the overall ecological footprint of the building. And inside, each apartment is fitted with energy-efficient lighting and appliances that will help reduce the ecological footprints.
Water-efficient fixtures and fittings have been implemented, as well as water-wise landscaping provisions to help reduce water demand.
An energy monitoring system will allow occupants to monitor real-time energy usage so they can conserve power and save money on electricity bills. Motion sensors will also be installed in common areas to save energy. Psaros is going further than these specific initiatives. By working with engineers who analyse the entire life cycle of the building at the design stage, Psaros is able to reduce the building's overall carbon footprint and match international innovation in environmentally sustainable design.
I've always been a keen proponent of good environmental practice within our buildings. The issue I've had has been a meaningful framework. We attended a green workshop a couple of years ago, and that has given us the foundation we were looking for. There's so much more to good environmental practice than rolling out solar panels on roofs. We've really enjoyed all the aspects of good, solid environmental design that we now bring to our buildings. The advantages are numerous, from the people who live in our buildings to the community as a whole. We are very proud in terms of what we've delivered to date, and we look forward to a continuous improvement as we seek best practice.
By working with ESD Engineers eTool, Psaros will achieve extraordinary results. Life cycle assessment examines the total environmental impact from start to finish, including impacts to build, impacts to operate, and impacts to demolish. Sellinger, located on Beaufort Street, is the first high-density residential development to achieve an eTool Gold rating, and it's expected to reduce its carbon footprint by over 40% over its lifespan when compared to the average Australian dwelling. Flow by Psaros has had eTool qualify the expected embodied and operational energy over the entire design life of the building and has been awarded a gold medal with an overall carbon saving of 80% over the standard benchmark, making it one of the greenest developments of its kind in Australia.
Over the life cycle of Psaros e-tool certified developments to date, the expected carbon savings is equivalent to a massive 1.4 million trees planted, or 32,000 homes powered for a year, or taking 66,000 cars off the road for a year. In 2014, Psaros won 2 significant sustainability awards. One from the Banksia Foundation, which is a national award for sustainability leadership, and the second from City Switch, which is a state award looking at energy, water and waste initiatives within offices. Psaros won another award for design excellence, and that was an international award for the Asia-Pacific region. Psaros continuously engage and inform the consumer base and the market at large, and pride themselves on educating their buyers on sustainable lifestyles and choice at point of sale. Psaros are involved in a number of community initiatives and events, including educational seminars and information stalls at festivals, information blogs and articles on sustainable living, promotion of alternative sustainable transport and infrastructure, and they support local businesses through their High Society program. Psaros believe they have a very unique and valuable role to play in educating the market to drive demand for environmentally considered apartments and influence the industry to implement change.